All right, we have a 2014 Nissan Rogue here. We're going to be doing an all keys lost. And this is a case of a theft vehicle. We don't know the condition of the vehicle right now since the car has just been recovered from theft. Hopefully the battery is fully charged. We are going to get the brand new OEM key that has been cut and program it to the vehicle. Let's go on this journey together. So we'll be using the X2 Pad 3 to make this programming. Okay, here is the OEM key that's already cut that we're going to be programming into the car. If we notice here, the security light is flashing on the car. We're going to turn this on into the on position without starting the car. And
I heard that if I get the vaccine, I can't have it.
There we go. And then the OBD port. If you look down here, there's the OBD2 port. Right here, right about the center of the middle of the steering column. So we're gonna plug in our tool in there. Here we go. We're plugged in here. I'm gonna turn the hazard light on. All right, and here we go. Going into DAG, my Nissan Infiniti. We're gonna agree. The first thing we need to do here is to get the security pin. Go to USA. We're doing Nissan Rogue. LMNOTQR. Now, NTS is what we want to choose. Rogue NTS. It says 2002 to 2010. Yes, we're still going to select that. This program key. Let's switch the ignition off. This is definitely a 4-pin code. Go back. And this is USA Rogue NTNC. This should give us an opportunity to be able to do BCM calculation. Oh, let's see, 2007. I'm not erasing DTC. Program key. You have to perform the function of releasing steering lock to program smart key. Whether to continue. Yes. Please input pin. This is definitely a 4-pin thing. Start this over again. And leave this alone. Let's go back. We're going to come back in. My Nissan. Agree. And so USA, gonna go back. Pin calculation. Type 1, HC114. Let's see, HC114. C114. Okay. All right. So our new security code is going to be 3880 USA. Let's go back and do the pin calculation again. Pin calculator. This is type 1. We enter the BCM code here. HC114. And that gives us old code and new security code. Rogue NTSC. Oh, it's a smart key. Let's try a smart key. You have to perform the function of releasing steering lock to perform the program smart key, whether to continue. Yes. What's the pin? 3880. You have to complete the following procedure. Engine can be started. Switch ignition off and remove smart key. Insert the first smart key and switch on for 5 seconds, then switch ignition off and remove the smart key. If you want to add more, then you can continue. So what we need to do now is we need to switch the ignition off and remove the smart key, and then we insert the first key to be programmed, switch the ignition on for 5 seconds, then switch it off and remove the key. So this goes off, we remove it, and then insert the key and switch it on for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the security light has gone. Turn it off and remove it. If you want to add more, then you can do that. Please repeat procedure to complete. So we're done with this now. You can say okay. Now let's see if this starts the car. It starts the car and there's no security lock. Now let's